guys. This is the fare from the, or I should say the harvest from the last squirrel hunt. We're going to go ahead and get those boiling, and after they boil a while, we'll go ahead and just make a fajita or burrito or taco or something like that of some sort. But we're going to let them boil for a good little while, that way the meat, comes off the bone easily, and we can get all the bones out of it and not have to worry about that kind of stuff. So I'll catch you back after a while. And here is, sorry about the movement, I'm hand holding this right now. There is Scully's catches of the day. Let me know if you know where that's from. And so those are just going to boil for a little while. That's about 4 of them in there. Got 3 the other day, I think it was Friday, and 1 the week prior. It's been frozen. So 1 of them I got with the pellet gun, 3 of them I got with a 22 long rifle, and I think next time I go up I'm going to bring the 20 gauge and see what good we can do with that. Then again, I did order a new scope since my 22 long rifle scope is broken. So I may actually just mount that up and try that again. So anyway, let's get this back to boiling, and I'll catch you in a minute. Before I go though, look at that beautiful blue flame coming off of this Coleman stove. Is that gorgeous or what? There they are, boiling away. So we'll let them boil for long enough to get the meat tender, and then we'll shred all that meat off the bones and start making a little fajita mix, I guess, out of it. Got some hatch chilies, some sliced bell pepper, and just some plain old McCormick fajita seasoning. We're going simple today. And my point was to be able to do something that could be done at camp if you wanted to do this. Kill a few squirrels, boil them up, shred the meat, put it in a small little pan like this one that comes with the zebra pot. Mix some seasoning in with it, saute some bell pepper, add a little can of, what do we have here? Some Hatch Select Ice Green Chilies. So, I think it's going to turn out good. I'll catch you back in a few minutes. So, look at that. Just coming off like nothing. Look at that. Easy, easy. I mean, the worst part of this meal is probably going to be my arm hair. And that fly. That fly is not going to last long if he keeps that kind of junk up. Look at that squirrel backstrap right there. Yeah, buddy. The squirrel bacon right here, this little piece. Look at that. These little red squirrels are small, man, but they are muscular. They are muscular little creatures. And whenever you're looking up at a tree and you go, oh yeah, that little thing ain't worth shooting. Oh, I assure you it is. Look at that. All that back strap. Another little squirrel bacon here. Even these ribs, when you boil it, those ribs pop right out. Like it ain't nothing. Look at that. All that rib meat. Nothing in it. Nothing to it. Okay guys, I'm going to catch you in a minute when we start getting everything together. Put a little bit more of that in there. And that squirrel already tastes good as it is, so you really don't have to add a lot of seasoning to it. I just like a lot in mine. It's kind of one of those things where it's like steak. If you had to add too much to it, you didn't do it right. I'm hungry. Let's go ahead and do one right now. Oh, got a heart in there. Go. Look at that. Squirrel fajita, or squirrel taco, whatever you want to call it. Alright guys and gals, and whoever may follow. This is our squirrel taco. I guess it's a soft shell taco, or squirrel fajita, whatever you want to call it. As some of the greats once said, nothing left but the taste test. Wow. Dripping out of the back a little bit. You guys, you just don't know, man. You don't know unless you've tried. Well, you know how there's chicken at the sea? There's chicken at the tree. Anyway, I appreciate you joining me for this feast. I'll catch you on the next one, hopefully. And once again, I hope you succeed in everything you attempt to accomplish in your life. And thank you for all your views. Thank you for your subs. Thank you for your support. Have a great one. See you on the next time.